Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. My name is Saeed Yusuf Al-Zaabi. Many corporations in the UAE are known for aligning their mission, vision, values, and human resource practice with organization strategy, leading to business success and employee certification. For this project, only one company from the Forbes Middle East Top 100 list was selected. Accordingly, the Abu Dhabi National Oil Company for gas, ADNOC Gas, ranked 11th on the Forbes Top 100 Companies 2025 list was chosen. Okay, now today we will discuss an important topic, training and organization strategy alignment. Use the case study of ADNOC Gas. The main idea is to show how this leading national energy company aligns its training programs with its goals of sustainability, innovation, and human capital development. In other words, training at ADNOC Gas is not just an administrative task. It is a core part of the company's strategy to ensure growth and competitiveness.
Thank you, Saeed, for the introduction. Let's have a quick look at ADNOC Gas itself. This is me, Hussein Al-Nuaimi. ADNOC Gas was established back in 2007 as part of the Abu Dhabi National Oil Company Group. Over the years, it has grown to become one of the key pillars of the UAE's energy sector, operating major gas processing facilities and distribution networks across the region. What really stands about ADNOC Gas is how much it has evolved under its current leadership. The company has become a forward-thinking organization that focuses on technology, environmental responsibility, and developing its people. And leading this vision is Ms. Fatma Mohammed Al-Nuaimi, the CEO of ADNOC Gas, who continues to drive innovation and operational excellence in a rapidly changing energy landscape. So in short, ADNOC Gas today represents a strong example of how the UAE is combining innovation, sustainability, and national expertise to shape the future of energy. This slide presents the company's strategic foundation, which defines its long-term direction and guiding principles. First of all, the vision of ADNOC Gas is to become a leading integrated gas company, enabling lower carbon energy solutions and promoting sustainable growth across the value chain. The mission focuses on delivering reliable, efficient, and sustainable gas solutions that create value for stakeholders while contributing to national energy security. Their core values emphasize safety and environmental responsibility, innovation and operational excellence, integrity and transparency, and people development and diversity. These elements together form the foundation that guides every decision, project, and initiative the company undertakes.
Thank you, Hussein. This is Amna bin Hashil, and now I'm going to talk about the training excellency aligned with the strategy. ADNOC Gas has developed comprehensive training practices that are closely aligned with its three strategic pillars, which is growth, decarbonization, and future-proofing. These practices are not only designed to enhance employee capabilities, but also to support the organization transformation into global competitive, sustainable energy provider. As per that, here are the training courses that ADNOC Gas follow to maintain the alignment. First of all, technical competencies development, such as technical certification course, which offer to engineers and technicians to maintain high standards. Advanced training program for gas processing, pipeline operation, and safety protocols directly support operations excellency goal and maintain industry-leading performance standards. Talking about leadership development initiatives, comprehensive leadership program designed to cultivate future leaders who can drive ADNOC strategy's vision. It's aligned with succession planning and impartition objectives, building local talent pipelines for strategic position across the organization. Digital transformation training. Technology-focused learning programs support the company's digitalization strategy, preparing employees for fourth industry, technologies, and smart operations platforms. Sustainability and ESG education. Environmental training program directly support carbon reduction target and sustainable development goals, ensuring all employees understand their role in the energy transition.
In this slide, we focus on organizational analysis. The aim is to make sure training is aligned with ADNOC gas strategy, covering efficiency, safety, and sustainability. We also check if resources like bodies, facility, and technology are enough to support training. Finally, we assess managerial and peer support because without organizational commitment, training will not succeed. In short, organizational analysis show us whether training is both relevant and sustainable. This slide addresses the task analysis. At this level, we identify the critical tasks that employees perform in their daily operations, such as gas processing, maintenance, procedures, safety protocols, and quality control. Once these key tasks are identified, the next step is to map the exact knowledge, skills, and behavior required to perform them effectively. For example, employees need strong technical experience, compliance with safety standards, problem solve capabilities, and effective teamwork skills. By doing this task analyzing, ensure that training is highly targeting to what employees actually do on the job. It closes the gaps between job requirement and workforce abilities. So finally, this slide focuses on the person analysis, which looks at the individual employee level. The purpose here is to evaluate whether performance deficiencies are caused by a lack of knowledge, skills, or abilities, or if they are due to low motivation or even poor job design. We also use this analysis to identify exactly who needs training so that resources are not wasted on people who already perform well. Another critical part is readiness evaluation. We assess whether employees are motivated and capable of learning, and if the organization provides the necessary support for them to succeed. This ensures that training is delivered to the right people at the right time uh, and with maximum impact.
As we look at this slide, the forces shaping today's training strategies. Three major drivers stand out. First, energy transition pressures. The global shift toward renewable energy is transforming how organizations like ADNOC Gas operate. This transition demands continuous retraining in clean technologies, carbon capture, and sustained operations to stay competitive in a low carbon economy. Second, digital transformation. Industry 4.0 technologies such as AI, data analytics, and automations are reshaping our workplaces. To leverage these effectively, employees need strong digital literacy, integration skills, and cybersecurity awareness. Third, regulatory compliance. With evolving environmental and operational standards, we must ensure our workforce remains fully certified and up to date to manage safety and compliance risks. To respond effectively, the recommended approach is to build adaptive learning systems from strategic partnership with technology providers and create cross-functional teams that can proactively address these changes demands. In this slide, from this analysis, several key insights emerged that highlight ADNOC Gas' strength and future directions. The first is strategic alignment. The ADNOC Gas has shown exceptional ability to link training initiative directly to organizational goals, ensuring every learning investment contributes to measurable business outcomes. Second, through comprehensive analysis, the company applies a structured three-tier approach to assess training needs. This ensures each program is precisely targeted to close real performance gaps and deliver tangible impact. Finally, the future-ready workforce. ADNOC Gas's proactive approach to workforce development ensures employees are equipped to thrive amid the energy transition and ongoing digital transformations. In short, these insights reflect a training strategy that's not only aligned with business goals but also prepares the organization for the future energy landscape. At the last and this slide we have references for the information we mentioned in previous slides, as you see. Thank you for listening.